In March 2022, Visa and Mastercard suspended their activities in Russia. Does it mean that transactions with bank cards are prohibited in our country? Let's check. From 2014, all cards issued by Russian banks, even though Visa or Mastercard, have been processed by the Russian payment system. This system is absolutely independent. Practically, it means that there is almost no difference between the times prior to the sanctions and nowadays. If you want to buy a ticket in a metro or use your credit card in some other place, you can do it easily. In this case, I am using my Visa issued by a Russian bank to buy a metro ticket. As you see, I face no problems. And this is a payment procedure in a cafe with the same Visa card. The payment is going smoothly as well. I could demonstrate a lot of other examples, however, the outcome would be the same. Still, I would like to mention a couple of points. Cards issued by foreign banks will not work in Russia anymore. If you come to Russia from another country, you have to receive a card from a Russian bank. Now there are two options, either Russian card MIR or Chinese Yuan Pay, because Visa and Mastercard are not issued by Russian banks from now on. Anyway, as mentioned, all Visa and Mastercard issued by Russian banks can work without limits, even though their expiry date is over. Some banks even offer a lifelong cards extension. In Russia, together with Visa, Mastercard or Alipay posters, you can often see the logo of MIR. This is the Russian payment card. The MIR system has been actively developed since 2014, and this development is twice as important recently. When you pay with a MIR card, you get very good discounts, up to 50%. Shops, travel agencies, clinics, everyone is offering very good conditions for MIR card owners. This card is accepted not only in Russia, but in some other countries, including Turkey and Vietnam. The number of countries is expected to grow. To be honest, there are some down points as well. For example, if you want to place an order in an online shop located outside of Russia, you would definitely face some difficulty. Another point is that cards issued by Russian banks cannot be connected to Google Pay or Apple Pay, at this stage at least. Needless to say that if you have cash in your pockets, you can easily solve almost all of your problems.